Hi friends, today I am going to explain you about the topo maps as well as the passing techniques in the Icse geography examination. First of all, we will deal with the syllabus and what are the techniques to pass the examination and how many lessons you need to study in this. All those things I am going to explain you in this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share this to other students also so that they may also get the help of this. First of all, we need to understand that in geography question paper for the ICSE, there will be 12 questions including topo map, and MCQs, and remaining all the 9 questions. So, interpretation of the topographical map from that lesson, you will be getting 10 marks question, which is easier. You will get a topo map and you have to answer according to the questions that is given in that. Some of the videos I have already set for the topographical maps, and after this I have also uploaded some of the map practices. Kindly go back to the videos and check it. First of all, we need to understand that there are 10 mark questions for the topo map. Also, for map of India, you will be getting 10 marks. There will be 10 questions, and for each question will be having 1 mark each. So total 10 marks will be for the map of India question. And along with this, from all the lessons, you will be getting multiple choice questions with the 4 options. Each question will be having 4 options. So you need to go through each and every lesson to get a 100% mark in the MCQs. After MCQ, that is 10 marks. MCQ is given for 10 marks. So first part is topo map book as well as map of India and MCQs. This totally you will get around 30 marks. It is a compulsory question. Okay, 30 mark is compulsory. After this, from each lesson, you will be getting a 10 mark questions each. So some of the questions are, some of the lessons in which you get 10 marks questions are, you can get, let's go through that. One of the question is climate of India. Climate of India lesson, it is in that distribution of temperature, rainfall and winds in summer and winter and factors affecting the climate of India, monsoon and its mechanism, and rain shadow area. What is rain shadow area? All those questions will be asked in that. So you will be getting a 10 mark for that. Another one lesson is soil resources of India. From that lesson, you will be asked some of the questions regarding alluvial soil. What is alluvial soil? How they are formed, and what is red soil? How they are formed? What is laterite soil? How they are formed? Such questions will be asked from these soil resources of India. From that also, 10 mark question will be there. So in that, you can expect some of the questions like that. What is soil erosion? What is soil conservation? And how the soil erosion can be prevented? All these type of questions can be expected from that. Next lesson for this 10 marks is the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation lesson will be explaining you about the importance of forest. One of the important questions. What are the importance of? What are the uses of forest? One of the important questions will be asked. And what are the types of trees that is and what are its used for? So types of vegetation in the tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical desert forest, and littoral forest, and what are sundari trees, how they got this name, all those questions, and what are the other names for littoral forests, what are the other names for the littoral forests. The other names of littoral forests are mangrove or tidal forest. And what are the pneumatophores? That is the trees which is having breathing roots. That is also coming under littoral forest. So all these questions will be asked in this. And also what is forest conservation? What is afforestation? What is deforestation? All those questions will be coming from natural vegetation lesson. So from this lesson also 10 mark question will be there. Another question will be coming from water resources. So in this, what are the sources of water? That is surface water and groundwater, that will be asked. As well as need for conservation and rainwater harvesting, how it is done, and how to conserve the water. All those questions will be asked. Also, you can find out irrigation methods, importance and methods of irrigation, well irrigation, canal irrigation, and the importance of that will be asked in the examination. So that will be for 10 marks. So water resources lesson, 10 marks question will be there. So another question is from mineral and energy resources. In this you will get iron ore, manganese, copper, bauxite uses and their distribution, conventional sources, coal, petroleum, natural gas, distribution, advantages and disadvantages. Like that questions will be asked. Another one question will be asked from the lesson is the hydel power, like Bakranangal Dam and Hirakud Dam, and where the importance of these dams and where the water is used for. And about the non-conventional sources like solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, coal, petroleum, natural gas, distribution advantages and disadvantages. These are the things in the mineral and energy resources. So in this lesson also you will be getting a 10 marks. Another one lesson is the agricultural lesson. In your book and all, there will be many lessons for the agriculture, but almost all the lessons together, they will be asking a 10 marks. Look this one. Indian agriculture, its importance and problems, and reforms in Indian agriculture. And another one question will be asked regarding types of farming in India, like subsistence farming, commercial farming, shifting farming, intensive farming, extensive farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. Like this questions will be asked. Next one is agricultural seasons. Like Rabi crop and Kharif crop, Zaid crop. These are the three important reasons that will be asked. And also climatic conditions required for this cultivation, soil requirement for this type of crop, like rice, millets and spices, sugarcane and oilseeds, groundnut, mustard, soya bean, cotton, jute, tea and coffee. These are the most important that we will be asking for examination. Another one important question. So from that lesson, from agricultural lesson, you will be getting 10 marks. So you have to study many lessons for getting the score of the marks in agriculture. Many topics are there in that. Another one important lesson is manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries are two types. One is agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. Two lessons are there. So you have to study two types of industries and you are scoring the 10 marks. So what you have to do, if you want to pass in that one, you need to study two lessons thoroughly and you have to get more marks in that. So what are the things that is there in the manufacturing industry? Agro-based industries like sugar and textile industry, water and silk industries, and mineral-based industries is that we can iron and steel industry like petrochemical, and electronics. All these things you need to study from that. So, in order to score more mark in that one, you need to study 2 lessons. Another one important lesson that we score 10 marks is transport. Transport is only one lesson. In that various forms of transport is explained in this. Like road transport, rail transport, air transport, water transport. All these are explained in this lesson. So, importance of modes, railways, roadways, airways, waterways, advantages and disadvantages are asked for this. And the last lesson in this is the waste management lesson. In that you need to study impact of waste accumulation, spoilage of landscape, pollution, health hazards, effect on terrestrial and aquatic freshwater and marine life, need for waste management, methods of safe disposal, segregation, dumping and composting, need and methods for reducing, reusing and recycling waste. So, what I am telling you is that there are some techniques to be used for getting a pass or getting a full marks in the Icse geography examination. You have to attend only 5 questions. 5 questions from part 2. From part 2, you need to attend only 5 questions. So now itself you take a decision. Which are the lessons are easy? 5 easy lessons which are easier for you. Select that lesson. Both easy wala lessons आप चुनना चाहिए. For example, climate of India. Climate of India में सिर्फ एक ही लेसन है. And soil resource lesson में सिर्फ एक ही लेसन है. Natural vegetation में सिर्फ एक ही लेसन है. Water resource में एक ही लेसन है. मगर mineral and energy resources में conventional, non-conventional 2 लेसन है. अगर वो easy नहीं है तो पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए. अच्छा से if it is not easy, you need not to study much on that. But you should have a reading knowledge of that one, and you should have a knowledge about that one because you have to attend MCQs. But if you want to score more marks in and particularly you are pointing upon the lesson which you want, it is not a good lesson according to me because there are a lot of things to be studied from that lesson. Another one lesson that you need to study is the agriculture in India lesson. Agriculture in that lesson, many things are there like cash crops, food crops, many crops to get 10 marks. यह लेसन में भी बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ना चाहिए एग्रीकल्चर लेसन. अगर वो अच्छा इजी नहीं है तो पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए. क्लोज करना है मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ना है मगर यू शुड हैव ए रीडिंग नॉलेज. नेक्स्ट लेसन इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज में भी 2 लेसन है. एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री और मिनरल बेस्ड दोनों है. इफ इट इज नॉट इजियर you need not to try for that also. But remaining lesson like transport is one lesson only. Easy to score marks bhaiya. You have very less timing for the passing the examination. So you first of all now you select which lesson you want to study for the examination. This is the examination geography. But you have to understand that your warm up is compulsory. as well as which one is compulsory? Map is compulsory. If you are trying for that one, both lessons, topo map and map, you are getting 20 marks. As well as when you try for the MCQs, you get 10 marks. Remaining only 5 lessons. Always remember, you need to concentrate on 5 lessons to get 50 marks. Which are those? According to me, climate lesson. From climate lesson you can get 10 marks. Soil resource lesson, second one, you will get 10 marks. Next one, third one, natural vegetation lesson, you get 10 marks. Another one, easy lesson, is transport lesson, 10 marks. You get 50 marks in these easy lessons. Why should you all study those full lessons? Concentrate on 5 lessons instead of paying more attention to all the lessons. You understand? I hope you understood. Wishing you all the best for the success of the examination, and also I will be uploading some of the MCQ question as well as some of the lessons. You can go through that. Each and every day I will be uploading new things regarding the ICC geography as well as history. Also regarding language, English language and English literature. Subscribe my channel. You can get a lot of information regarding the ICC examinations. Also, I have been the examiner for many years. And also, I have been teaching in the ICC syllabus from 2005 onwards. So you can, if you have any doubts regarding this one, you can ask me. You can clear your doubts. Wishing you all the best for the coming examination on 21st of February 2024. Wishing you all the best for the examination. Thank you.